In this video, I'll guide you how to reset your TikTok algorithm on mobile. So first of all, you need to open your app, then tap here right top corner, it's a three line. Tap here settings and privacy. And you can see here content preference, tap here. So tap here, refresh your feed, simply tap here. So now you can see here refresh your feed will temporarily show you popular videos you may not normally see. Once like, comment and share videos so we can learn your preference. Once refreshed, your feed should feel more personalized. So if you want to reset your feed, then you can tap here start. Then you can see its progress and they will show you why did you refresh your feed. You can see here like maybe you don't like the feed, so you can see here after starting, or maybe I'm going to submit. So it's refreshing now, and once you watch the feed, then TikTok understand and they showed the videos according to your interest.